I will put on my welding gloves so I don't burn my fingers. Yeah. So what I made here is just some fluid I light up, and then I will put this drywall with the cavity barrier. Okay. And what you will see, hopefully, is the cavity barrier stops the flame from going through. So what you would do conventionally is would you have in this application you would have a strip, and then you have air open, right? So the flames would pass because it takes a while before the 80% expand. And we say we have from the first second. Just let it get a little warm before I put it down. So this would simulate a fire going into the cavity. And then I will put the sample down. And you can come and hold over.
Oh, very quick.
Yep. And you see the smoke, that's cold smoke coming out with the expanding intumescent.
Ah, okay.
And when it's full expand, then there's no more smoke. Yeah, it's a little hot, but
Yeah, but not. Yeah,
no.
it's not.
Because when you do the test standard, it's 140 in average and not above 180 on one thermocoupler. So for the classified period. Yeah.
And if you look underneath there, you can see the intumescent expanding.
Yeah, it's a great way to look here as well. Yeah.
Very cool.
So still it's quite cold. It's even colder now when it starts. It starts, it's tough because of the temperature, but yeah. So it's not that excited, but that's a good thing.
And how long can it hold?
Huh?
How long can it hold?
Up to 90 minutes.
Yeah, it depends on
The rating, yeah. So it's 30, 60 and 90.
Are you working on 120 as well? Or?
We have E120 though, in the Middle East. Not the I, because the material around it often fails. The barrier itself is okay, but the material around it is really hard to get over 2 hours. So, but we got E120 in the Middle East with the ESL approval. Okay. So I will lift this up and you can see how it looks. Looks like this. And now it's a full barrier there. It could stand for 90 minutes.
Yeah, enough time to put out the fire.
Yes. Yep.
That's awesome. Use this in school projects and this student housing.
Yeah.
And you can sleep sound at night.
Yeah, it's much better. Yeah. Because the alternative is to have a air opening, and of course these flames will pass for several minutes and up to 5 minutes. Like I said, if you do a European test standard, you don't start measuring the test for after 5 minutes. Okay. So yeah, because it takes a while before the intumescent to fully expand. So when we worked on because we were the conveyor of the first harmonized test standard for cavity barrier, we tried to get it from the first second.
Okay.
But nobody voted for that because we are the only product that probably could do it. Then we tried for 2 minutes and they say no, and so it's still 5 minutes. So that means you start the test, flames will go through it. After 5 minutes they start the test. But then you had 5 minutes for the intumescent to expand and close it. So that's why you can get conventional intumescent products to achieve ER ratings.
Okay,
yeah. Right.
That's awesome.
Not too much crowd though, but thank you.
Not bad for the first one.
No. Thank you. Much appreciated. Yeah.